Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Abst Academy. In this video, we're going to discuss how you can block a group on Facebook. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Facebook application on your device and log into your account if you haven't done so already using your credentials. After logging in, you will be taken into your Facebook homepage, from which, if you wish to access your groups, you can tap on your account icon at the top right corner. Then go ahead and tap on the groups option and you will see the various groups that you are a member of. Tap on your groups and within other you will find all of the groups that you are a member of. Now if you wish to block any group, simply tap on the group name and you will be taken into the group page. If you look for various options from the menu page at the top right corner, you will find the groups menu. Click on the three dots at the top right corner and you will see various different options, including the option to unfollow as well as leave group. However, there is no option to block the group. If you wish to block this group, then the best thing that you can do is to unfollow and then leave the group. You can simply tap on the leave button and you will be asked whether you are sure that you want to leave the group. Tap on leave group once again and you will exit the group right away, and you don't even have to block the group because you will no more receive any notification from the group. And there you have it. That is how you can go about if you wish to block a group on Facebook. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.